हर शख्स का एक अलग तरीका होता है अपनी लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करने का। जहाँ एक तरफ किसी को खो देने का गम बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा होता है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ कुछ कलाकार ऐसे भी हैं जो इस चीज को काफी ज्यादा उम्दा तरीके से फेस भी करते हैं और स्ट्रॉन्ग बन के भी सामने निकल कर आते हैं। बॉलीवुड के एक ऐसे कलाकार हैं जिन्होंने अपनी माँ को खो तो दिया था, लेकिन उस गम को फेस करने के लिए उन्होंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही तरीका अपनाया और वो था काम में खुद को कुछ ज्यादा ही डुबो देने का। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हम बात कर रहे हैं अर्जुन कपूर की, जिन्होंने खुलासा करते हुए कहा था कि अपनी माँ को खो देने के गम को ओवरकम करने के लिए उन्होंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही तरीका उठाया था और वो था film after film to actually escape the pain of losing his mother. Bollywood actor Arjun Kapoor marked his debut with the film Ishqzade opposite Parineeti Chopra. Since then, the actor has featured back-to-back in multiple films. Ahead of Arjun's Bollywood debut, उन्होंने अपनी मां मोना शोरे को खो दिया था। एक लीडिंग पोर्टल से बात करते हुए अर्जुन ने खुलासा करते हुए बताया कि कैसे उनके करियर में उन्होंने कितनी सारी फिल्म्स को साइन किया after his mom's demise. The actor also opened up about completing a decade in the Hindi film industry and how he has managed to work in 16 films in such a merely short time. इसी बात पे आगे बात करते हुए अर्जुन कहते हैं, I took on too much work to run away from the personal issues of losing my mom, and somewhere that helped me a lot. I have made 16 films in the last 9 to 10 years. I have done a lot of work, but I did not take out enough time for myself, as in for my own mental health and also physical health. So going ahead, I would like to change that particular thing. I think that the best part is that I have been able to make a career for myself and be independent. I come from a really good family and I'm privileged. I'm someone who is well taken care of. I have had my own struggles and journey which I can't really be compared with. Arjun has left everyone in shock with his massive transformation over the years. वो कहते हैं, fitness is equated to being thin. During Ishqzade, I was 95 kgs, which is a lot of weight to carry, but it was fine as I had abs. Arjun also spoke about body shaming issues that people had to face and also he had to face. वो कहते हैं, India has issues with color, size and structure. I am a big structured guy. I embrace it positively. You can't put the other people down. You might be slightly overweight but doesn't mean that you go into a dark hole. Arjun Kapoor also spoke about how he started overreacting after his parents decided to get a divorce. The actor said that he found solace in food when his parents separated and chose two different paths. वो कहते हैं, I remember being okay with my size. I was fine and not conscious. But it all happened one summer. My parents separated and I took solace in food. That is something that changed my life. It was my way of hiding and eating, trying to find happiness between sadness. Arjun and his sister Anshula Kapoor are producer Bonnie Kapoor's kids with his first wife Mona Shore. Bonnie Kapoor has two daughters, Janhvi Kapoor and Khushi Kapoor, with the second wife Sri Devi. भले कहना सही होगा कि हर एक का अपना तरीका है प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करने का, लेकिन अर्जुन कपूर की वाकई में दाद देनी चाहिए बिकॉज वो सामने आके अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में खुलासा भी करते नजर आए हैं और अपनी गलतियों को एक्सेप्ट भी करते नजर आए हैं। Well, we can only hope for one thing. More power to अर्जुन कपूर। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आने वाले वक्त में अर्जुन और भी ज्यादा उम्दा प्रोजेक्ट्स में नजर आएंगे अपने किरदारों को एस करते हुए। आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं अर्जुन के द्वारा दिए गए इस बयान पे। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.